Hi, today I'm going to be making Ukrainian bell peppers. They're from this book that I'm holding. It's called BUDMO, and it's by Anna Voloshyna, and it's all about recipes from a Ukrainian kitchen. This is how the book looks. And this is the recipe that I'm going to be making. It looks so good. Can't wait to make it. Okay, I'm doing 2/3 of the recipe, so I've got half a cup of rice and I'm gonna cook it for about 10 minutes till it's half cooked. I'm using my Ninja to dice up 1 carrot and 1 onion. Onions and carrots are all finished. Okay, the rice has been half cooked and I'm gonna let it drain. I've got the onions and the carrot in a pan with a little bit of oil and I'm going to saute them for 8 minutes. Adding about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Okay, now I'm adding a can of tomatoes diced and then also a cup and a third of vegetable broth. Bringing that to a simmer, and then I'm going to add in about a little under a tablespoon of heavy cream. So there we have the sauce. I just seasoned it with a bit of salt and pepper. So I'm doing 4 peppers instead of 6, which is 2/3 of the recipe. So I cut the caps off the peppers and took out the seeds. And now I'm going to make the filling. Mixing the pork with the parboiled rice together in one bowl, and then I'm gonna season with a pinch of salt. This is all mixed perfectly. Okay, I've got to fill each pepper and put them into this Dutch oven, and then pour the sauce over it. There's one. Here are the stuffed peppers in the Dutch oven. Now I'm gonna pour the sauce on top. Here we go, it's all set. Now I just need to add a bay leaf. So I put the Dutch oven on the burner and I'm waiting for the sauce to boil. Then I'm going to cook the whole thing for about 40 minutes. So we'll see how it is after that. Those peppers are looking so good. I can't wait to try one. There's the finished product. I cut it in half so you can see how nice it looks inside. Serving it with some fresh dill and some sour cream. Okay, time for a taste. Wow, that is so good. It tastes so much like comfort food and it's really delicious. Thank you so much, Anna Voloshyna, for introducing me to this recipe from this book. Thanks a lot. Bye.